Hey, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. This moment, I'm going to be doing this video on Justicia secunda, also known as St. John's bush, Jehovah's Witnesses bush, bloodroot, and I found a study from 2010 which speaks on the anthocyanin contents. Right, as you can see here, the flowers here quite red, right? And the anthocyanins, they're water-soluble pigments belonging to group of flavonoids, right? These are what gives the different colors of plants, usually found in the vacuole of plants, right? Let's see here, right? So it usually helps in attracting pollinators, right? And also can be used as coloring in foods, right? From what I read, the highest um, content belongs to blueberries. Right? So blackberries, blueberries, you have black rice, you have black soybeans, you have purple cabbage, and if you can remember, right, elderberry. Yes, elderberry is quite the purple color. Purple, I would say dark, yeah, dark purple color. But yeah, so the color content, right? These anthocyanins depends on the pH, right? Depends on the temperature, right? Red, more acidic, and blue, more what do you call alkaline, right? So the study mentioned that anthocyanin contents in Justicia secunda, a plant used in Congolese traditional medicine, West Africa, right? Research has been done shows that it actually has anti-sickling properties, right? Been used for traditions, even used by Jehovah's Witnesses, hence the name Jehovah's Witnesses bush, because they through their religious beliefs they don't consume human blood because according to the Bible the life is in the blood. It's itself. It warns about consuming blood. Right? So these anthocyanins presents have been shown to give anti-sickling activity, right? And their biological properties. I've done more reading again, and anthocyanins actually help with cognitive function. Right? They have antioxidants. These are what helps to destroy free radicals. Right? These harmful substances that can cause chronic diseases. Helps with heart health, even vision, eye health, even treating diabetes. The plant also is noted to treat diabetes due to those compounds in there called secunda-Anthocyanins, right, which help to control blood glucose levels, even treating hypertension, right. The leaves also, extracts of the leaves have been shown to treat hypertension. I've also noted that from reading that the anthocyanin contents also are anti-tumors, right? Used to treat tumors. I mean, it's quite interesting. There's always many to learn, and me myself, look, I'm in red also. Yeah, yeah, nice. So sickle cell disease or drepanocytosis, right? It's caused by abnormal deoxyhemoglobin S, right, which is a protein, right, that causes the cells to become sickle shaped owing due to low states of oxygen tension, decreased levels of oxygen tension, right? So there's polymerization, right, of deoxyhemoglobin, and also speaks upon the plant. The result shows that it actually increases the solubility of deoxyhemoglobin and inhibits the polymerization and also they conclude that its sickle cell really is based on cell, the red cell membranes, their stability, right, and the polymerization of the oxyhemoglobin, that protein S, that HbS, that iron. And they've also noted that persons with sickle cell disease, they have a high calcium iron level, right? So there we have it. Justicia secunda, known to turn sickle-shaped cells into normal biconcave shaped cells, right? So these anthocyanins present in there, they're very important, giving color, right, to the flowers to attract pollinators, even used as dyes in foods, right? And also very beneficial to the body, um, improving vision, maintaining eye health, right? Antioxidants prevent free radical damage, which causes chronic diseases, and also it's good to build your immune system, the immune modulatory, contributing to good cardiovascular health and good cognitive health, brain function, brain health. Right, so that's it for this one. Thanks again for watching. Oh yes, and if you have been following my videos on Justicia secunda, um, I mentioned that when boiling the leaves of this plant, right, boiling the leaves of the plant actually gives a red blood infusion. Right, you see the water, the infusion becoming red blood. Right, that's good to treat anemia, as I mentioned in Congolese traditional medicine. Right. Also, it's on those class of herbs you call emmenagogues or abortifacients. So if women having problems, delayed periods, problems with the menstrual cycle, this can actually bring on the period, start the menstrual cycle. So caution is always advised. You got to be careful if you're pregnant, because this is gonna cause uterine contraction and cause your body to expel the fetus. Right. As always, this is for educational purposes only. Don't take my word for it. Do your own research and contact your physician before using these plants. Right. Thanks again for watching.